So this is our room at the Rio Palace in Cabo, San Lucas. So this is the king garden view room. So king bed. Over here we have the bathroom. The shower is just like one little step up. Got a couple different heads. We have like the shower head, or like I don't even know what you call that one. Rain head or something. The regular one. Big bathroom here with 2 mirrors, 2 sinks. Of course you get all this fun stuff too. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, soap. What's this on here? Travel accessories. I wonder what's actually in here. Okay, so we get like a shower head, a little sewing kit, and a little comb. It's cute. Of course, there's the towels. Do get a blow dryer. There's a mirror. There's a toilet. Here's the closet. So you have an extra blanket. There's a safe in here. An iron. This is the mini bar. Just sweet. Get all this. There's a fridge under here that's fully stocked with beer and pop and water. This is the bed. There's the mirror. Down here we have a couple little steps down. And I don't think they have steps down in all the rooms. This is like the first one I've stayed at. It's actually had a couple steps down. TV, pull-out couch, table, and this is our view. The garden view, you can see a bit of the ocean.
Look at the little baby palm tree down there.
It's a baby. They're so weird. And that's it.